Namaskar. Have you noticed something strange nowadays? People are not ending relationships with loud fights anymore. They are quietly becoming distant. Reply becomes shorter, conversations become colder, and slowly the warmth between people start disappearing. Today many people know how to talk, but very few people know how to make another human being feel emotionally safe in this conversation. So, today let's understand 5 communication habits that are silently damaging relationships. And at the end, I will also share one simple yogic practice that can completely change the way you speak, listen, and connect with people. The first mistake is that you only listen halfway. Nowadays, while somebody is speaking, you are already thinking about what to reply or waiting for the turn to talk. People can feel this immediately. When somebody opens their heart to you but does not feel fully heard, then slowly stop feeling emotionally safe around you. So, from today, practice listening completely and fully. Second mistake is constantly checking up phone. While somebody is talking to you sincerely, you may feel it is harmless, but to the another person, it's quietly feel like this screen is more important than me. Relationship rarely breaks suddenly. They slowly become weak through repeated small movements where people feel ignored and unheard or emotionally unimportant. In fact, this behavior has now become so common that this even has a name, phubbing. It comes from the word phobe and snoobing. Now, let's understand the third mistake, that is giving advice immediately. Many times, people are not asking for solution. They simply want to feel heard, understood, and emotionally supportive. But before they even finish speaking, we quickly jump into giving advice, fixing the problem, or offering solutions. So instead of quickly trying to solve everything, first make people feel heard emotionally. Empathy always feels more deeply than any advice. The fourth mistake is reacting emotionally in any moment. One uncomfortable comment happened and suddenly there is irritation, defensiveness, or harshness. But wise communication requires pause. So, before reacting, take one deep breath or silently chant a mantra a few times. This small pause can prevent unnecessary hurt in relationship. And the fifth mistake is ignoring your tone and your body language. Communication is not only about words. Your eye, posture, expression, tone are also speaking constantly. You may say something politely, but if your tone sounds impatient or your body language feels closed, people immediately feel distant. So, maintain soft eye contact, keep your posture relaxed, and speak gently. People remember your energy much longer than the spoken words. This is why yoga becomes so important. Yoga teaches awareness. If you regularly practice Yogendra Pranayama number 1 and Yogendra Pranayama number 4, which are equal breathing and deep diaphragmatic breathing, your mind slowly becomes calmer, your reaction reduces, and your communication improves naturally. Remember, restless mind creates restless conversation, but a peaceful mind creates meaningful relationship. Yoga clearly says, as the breath, so is the mind, and as the mind, so is our communication. So I always recommend that you practice this pranayam regularly every day. They will make you more aware of your breath, your emotions, and your reactions. Remember, people feel your energy as much as they feel your words. When your mind is restless, your communication also becomes restless. But when you are calm and fully present, people automatically feel safe around you and you have better relationship. So train your mind and see how much better your words become and how much your life. Namaskar.